products to achieve a full face makeup without using all the products you normally use on your face, and of course without wasting so much time. If this looks like what you want, please make sure you stay tuned and watch this video. Hi lovelies, how you all doing? It's good to have you back. So in today's video, I'll be showing you the few products you need to achieve a full face makeup, and of course the few steps you need to take if you don't have all day to do your makeup, doing all those babies. No. I will show you the few steps you need to take, and of course the few products you need to take to achieve a full face makeup. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Joy and this is my beauty and lifestyle channel. For the few products you need for your full face makeup, the first one I have here with me is your foundation. You all know that the foundation is always the base of every makeup, except you want to do a no foundation makeup. So the first thing we're going to be starting with is our foundation, and this is how you do your foundation. Of course, you apply your foundation, you start here. Yes, you put your foundation, and then after adding your foundations here with your damp beauty blender, you blend to the under eye. That's the rule, that's how I normally do it, to avoid having excess products under your eye. So after your foundation, now that you've blended your foundation, the next product you need to achieve a full face makeup is your concealer. Concealer is the next thing you need, and that is the product number 2. Don't forget. So you take your concealer and use it to highlight the under eye and every part of your face that you need to highlight. So just add your concealer. This is the second product you need to achieve a full face makeup. Add your concealer the places you need it. Of course, the places you need to highlight, the places you want them to brighten up a bit. Then if your concealer is quite creamy, you're just going to give it few minutes to set so that it can blend in easily. But if yours is not that creamy, you can start blending immediately. Now that the concealer is perfectly blended out, that takes us to the next. I'll bite my tongue actually. That takes us to the next product you need for your face makeup, which is the setting powder. This is what you're going to use to set the under eye and of course set the rest of your face. And of course, to set our face, we normally start with the under eye. Like I told you, if you pick your setting powder, you smudge it on your hand, then with the smooth surface you have, you set with it. You don't need products there because you're not trying to apply any product there. You're just trying to set the concealer that you've added, okay? After setting your under eye with that same setting powder, you can go ahead and do what? Set the rest of your face. Yes, set the rest of your face immediately. Immediately set the rest of your face. After setting your face, you move on to your eyebrows. You fill in your brows, and of course I have a detailed tutorial on how to do your brows, so I am going to leave that link for you. Make sure you wash it, okay? So after setting your whole face, you just pick your pencil and then fill in your brows. So after that, the next thing you're going to do is your eyeshadow. You can just go in and blend your eyelid using that concealer you applied earlier if you didn't get it to that place, so that the eyelid won't be dark. Then you do that on the other one. After blending it, getting it to look like what you want it to look like, the next thing you just do is just to take, if you have a powder palette, just use a darker shade of your powder. Yes, and that is what you are going to use to do it in this tutorial. Just take a darker shade of powder just to create some effects on the eyes. Just use a darker shade of powder. You don't want to do much, you just want to create a little effect on the eye. Yes, And that just it. The eyes is done. Then you move over to the what? To your liner. It's very important. Very important because liner brings out your eye. Yes, it brings out your eye. Once you line your eye, just take your liner. Of course, I have a video. I did a tutorial, complete tutorial how to line your eyes. So make sure you see that video. Just take this down and then with your liner, just go. After your eyeliner, you just have to go in with your eyelash. I love just do my eyelash with my hands, but this one I have my nails done and it's not as short as I normally do it. So I just hope we'll get through it. So you add your lashes. Then once your eyelash is done, you're just going to pick your blush and add a bit of color to your face, just little color to your face, just little color to your face. Like I've added too much on this side, but if you add little, as long as it's powder blush, all you have to do is just to go by it with your powder. So after this, the next thing you need to do is just to do your lippy. Do your lippy by first of all starting with the liner, and this is what I use to line David's pencil. David pencil, yeah. I don't know why I pronounce that like that. David pencil, David pencil. That's what I used to line. Okay. Then after lining, you go over with your shade of lips then. So we are doing nude lips. We are first starting with brown. We blend our brown into that liner. Just like this. Are you guys can see? I don't like smacking my lips and I'm doing baby. I rather blend it with my brush. Then I clean my brush and I use it to pick nude. That's it with the lips, and now we are done. All you need to do is just go ahead and set your face, and that'll be all. I don't know how I'm covering this on my face, on my body, like, and that is basically it. That is all you need. The few products you need to get your face makeup done. Yes, this is just all you need. You don't need all those liquid blood, others. Nah, just this is just all you need to get your face makeup done. When you don't have so much time to do all those, you understand? You just do this ones I've done here. So as you can see, we look cute. Don't you just laugh? So you see, these are all just you need to achieve a flawless, simple face makeup. Okay, so my lovely sweet, that will come to the end of this video. I am sure you enjoyed it because I actually enjoyed filming this video. Yes, so my lovelies, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, you're begging, please make sure you subscribe, okay? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And like I always say, if you have a video request, please make use of the comment section. I will do my best, okay? Till I come your way next time, I am still your favorite makeup artist. I love you guys. Bye.